Friday the 21st of July, it's 9 a.m. Just doing an end of day analysis for the last couple of days. As we can see here, for the last 2 days we did some trading on the 19th. This was the only couple of trades that happened. Essentially we were just in a massive downtrend. I tried entering a couple of times and both times it didn't feel right, so yeah, we just basically got zero and minus $300 just here, and just kind of forgot about it and moved on, which I was happy with, that I could at least identify that we shouldn't be in those trades. Outside of that, yesterday during the Asian session, I had this because we could see that we've changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. I had this horizontal line set up and an alert. It went off in the middle of the day, and so I was more than happy to get in, and then I just ran it down, and I could have held on, but at the moment I've been taking some losses and I just wanted to get some profit more than anything, so just took $600. Was happy with that. Very small volume, like 2 lots, very cruisy, and so I had alerts set up of like whether it was going to break even or whether it was going down, and so every time it alerted I just updated that, and when it got to there I got out. Outside of that, go to gold. So gold, just go back, I think it was it was last night. We tried getting in there, entered a little bit low, and then essentially we brought ourselves to break even, and the stop loss basically ended the trade for us. So no harm, no foul, just essentially just broke even. We can see that it obviously tested us, and then it did end up going to the downside, but we can see here, for an example, the US 100. If I had held on, just going back to that, and then also this, if I had held on and just assume that it will go to the downside, you can see that it can whipsaw, which is what happened here. So while we're here, I got in for a buy, as it pushed to the upside quite a bit, and once it pierced that, I brought myself up to just below just below break even, and it stopped us out. So essentially minus $350. And then lastly, I was up pretty late last night watching the Zoom call, and we all saw the US 30 go out of the blocks, and so I got in and held up until here, and I was happy with the $1,500, and so I took profit and went to sleep just because it was about 11:30 for me. So I was happy with that. Overall, last couple of days, $1,500. That's kind of what we're looking at. Cash flow record. We can see here that we've had quite a few negative days, which kind of has knocked the confidence a bit. So it's good to get one on the board at least that's quite positive, and we're just trying to get a slow build back to where we were, around the 30 grand mark. A bit of a slow process, but all in all, just trying to keep positive. So thanks for that. Have a good day.